Fantastic morning to all. This is Pranita from 5th grade. Today we are doing an activity on correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions are a word phrase that link or relate phrases or ideas in a sentence that are equally important. For example, either or, neither not, whether or not only but also. Now my friends will say in detail.
Either or. This indicates that only one of two options present is possible. Examples: either the boy and the girl is coming. The book is either on the shelf or in the box.
Neither nor. This indicates that both options present are not possible. Example: neither Poonam nor Varun comes to school regularly. The book is neither on the shelf nor in the box.
Not only but also, this indicates that both options are equally important. It usually focuses on a quality or action or event. Examples: Smita not only lost her diamond earring but also her necklace. Mr. Sharma not only rich but also generous.
Whether or. This indicates that the outcome of an action or event remains the same in spite of the choices one makes. For example, you have attended the meeting whether you like or not. Whether it rained or not, I will come.
Rihan, can you give either the book or the slate?
I am sorry, Rahat. I neither have book nor slate.
Rikit, I have not only book but also slate.
I have to write in a book whether I like it or not. We hope you all understood correlative conjunctions. Thank you. Have a memorable day.